Hi Derek, this is James out of Burtness Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. My colleague Heather let me know that you're interested in our 2018 LaCrosse Essence. If I'm looking at my entire lot, I'll just do this quick. They're all SUVs and trucks. I've got 3 cars. It's hard to get cars, period, and to get one in this shape is fantastic. I hope you like the color because I don't have a different one to show you. It's got the sunroof, which is extra rare to find. Carfax clean. It's 2 owners, no accidents, regular maintenance. So that's what we want to see. Trunk area is in great shape. It's a certified car. If you a GM certified, that's important because while this is out of the factory warranty, it's going to come with a 12-month or 12,000 mile certified warranty, which is, it's like a bumper-to-bumper warranty, except it doesn't count soft trim, so like windshield wipers and tires and stuff. But when you're driving home, it's at Memphis area, you're taking warranty with you. Further, the powertrain is 6 years or 60,000 miles from date of purchase, which was July of 18. If they push it, GM pushes it to 6 years and 100,000 miles. So the transmission and motor are going to be covered. Got the nice rubber mats, no rips, no tears. Okay, I see there is a small repair in the leather there, but that's fixed. But that is noticeable. I think that's the only blem that I've seen though. And then as you saw the mileage, 29,973, so it's just under 30,000, which is exceptional. So lots of sky. Would love to have you come visit. We do this all the time. I've had people come from Colorado for a Corvette. I've had people come from Portland, Oregon, fly in, take the bus up. If you get to O'Hare or Madison, there's buses, and I'll just come and get you. But let me know if interested. You can reach out to Heather if you have any questions. If there's anything I didn't cover, again, it's James, 608-921-8001 is my direct, that's my cell. So please let me know. Have a great day.